Hello everyone. After 2 months suspension of domestic passenger flight services, now the domestic operations again started on 25th May 2020 with new guidelines. First and foremost, follow the general rules like maintaining social distancing and maintaining a minimum touch at the airport terminal from the origin to the destination. Follow the displays, instructions and any special marking at the airport. Use hand sanitizer and wear a mask all the times at the airport terminal. Register the Arogya Setu app. Children who are below 14 years old, this app is not required. Ensure the web check-in procedure at your home. Obtain the boarding pass online along with your check-in baggage tag. Affix the baggage tag on your bag. Now when you are traveling to the airport, remember you have to report at the airport at least 2 hours prior to the departure of your flight. Thermal screening is mandatory at the airport. You can carry only one check-in bag and one carry-on bag with you. Please avoid baggage trolley as far as possible. Drop your check-in bag at baggage drop counter and show your PNR to the airline staff. You will get an electronic receipt through SMS. Follow these restrictions for hand sanitizer in your check-in bag and carry-on bag. Now when you will proceed for boarding gate, you have to collect a safety kit which includes a surgical mask and hand sanitizer from the airlines near the boarding gate. Display your identity card and complete the self-scanning of your e-boarding pass at the boarding gate. Inside the aircraft, meal services will not be available. Water bottles can be available in the flight. Eatables are not to be consumed during the flight. Queuing at the aircraft toilets are not allowed. Only one companion will be allowed for children and the elderly person. Newspaper or magazines will not be available on board the aircraft. After reaching at your destination, the disembarkation from the aircraft will be as per the sequence and you have to follow the crew instructions strictly. It is advisable to very elderly persons, pregnant ladies or passengers with ailments avoid the air travel. Thanks for watching. Please ensure your safety and others' safety. Please follow the guidelines strictly.